How to get a refund on Spirit Airlines. Hi everyone, welcome again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get a refund on Spirit Airlines. How can you get a refund on Spirit Airlines? It is very simple. Just follow me as I show you the procedures in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have a Spirit Airline account and you have logged in into your account just like I have done here. Once you're logged in, you would see some options on the screen, such as the book options by the top right corner. Let's go back. Okay. Um you see book option, my trips, check-in, flight status, and then by the top right corner of the screen, you see other options as well, such as free spirit deals, contact us, then your profile image and your preferred icon. At this stage, I must let you know that for you to be able to get a refund on Spirit Airlines, you have to ensure that you contact the customer support. This is the only way you can get a refund. So just click on contact us. Then once you click on contact us, you'll be redirected to the contact us page where you can contact the customer service by clicking on the chat box. That is let's chat button, or by scrolling down and then chatting with Spirit Airlines via SMS or WhatsApp. I recommend using the Let's Chat because it's faster and more efficient. So once you select Let's Chat, a box will be displayed where you can now select the kind of language you want, and then you can go ahead and type out your question. And what is your question? You want to I want a, okay, not that. Then you can just tap on the search box and click and type out I want to get a refund. And then once you type this out, a list of instruction will be displayed. Okay, so go ahead, type out your questions, ask properly, and then if you did not get your answer, like as you can see on my screen, click on you're not yet, and um you can decide to go back to the main menu, or you can decide to speak to a representative. So click on speak to a representative, and then go ahead and answer. Just follow the screen instructions, and then you'll be able to get a refund. So this is how you can get a refund on Spirit Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.